In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export WordPress posts to a CSV file. While this may sound technical at first, the process is actually quite simple when you use the right plugin. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the menu on the left, open the plugins section and select Add New. This is where you can install tools that extend your site's functionality. In the search bar, type in WP All Export or Import Export by Proactive. These plugins are widely used and known for being reliable and easy to work with. Once you find a plugin with good ratings and active installations, click Install Now. After the installation finishes, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, a new menu option will appear in your WordPress dashboard, usually labeled All Export or Import and Export. Click on this option, then choose New Export to begin the export process. The plugin will guide you through a setup screen where you select what type of content you want to export from the content type options. Choose Posts. This tells WordPress that you want to export your blog posts rather than pages or other content types. Most export plugins also let you customize what data is included, such as titles, content, dates, and authors. But the default settings work well for most users. Once everything is set, complete the export and download the CSV file to your computer. That's it. You've successfully exported your WordPress posts into a CSV format, making it easy to back up your content, analyze data, or move posts to another platform. Thanks for watching and happy exporting!